Hi guys, welcome back. I'm just going to do some detecting in this little park here. We're out at the Ipswich area, so we'll see if there's anything here. Okay, let's go. 28. You can see down there, it's quite a strong 28, 29. I've just dug it. I thought it might be a can or something, but looks like it's an old belt buckle. So let's get some of that out. Well, there we go. It's quite old. Must be sitting here for a long time. Cool find. Excellent. Keep going. Well, this little one was coming up 29. And it's an old belt buckle. That's the second one today. Okay, great stuff. Well, I'm right by the Bremer River in Ipswich, on the outskirts I believe, and I just found this this coin spill. There's a couple of coins in there, a couple of 20-cent coins, so that's awesome. Let's have a look. There we go. Yeah, giving a nice strong 16 as usual for the 20-cent coins. Well, okay, that's good. Okay, let's keep going. Still at the same hole. There's a strong 13, so it's a chance that we've got a 10-cent coin in there as well. Let's have a quick look. Okay, somewhere there. I'll just dig that. I'm just going to put this down for a second. It'll be a bit easier to dig. Well, I found him. He's a little bit deeper than the 20s. There he sits. And that's 10 cents. You can see the 10 there. All right, let's see if there's any more targets here. Well, this one was coming up a 19. Look at that old rusty thing. Whatever that was used for, I have no idea. Looks like it's been there quite some time though. Okay, moving on to the next one. Nice strong signal, 28, solid 28. 29 there. Let's dig that. Still solid here. A little bit of rain helps, but it's still solid. It's a rock or a root. Okay, let's have a look here. Just there. Look at it. Just a piece of metal. The curse of the metal detectors. Oh well. Okay, here we have a 16. 15, 16. Deep, so we'll give this a dig. There we are. Is it a coin? Is it 20 cents or a bottle top? Where did it go? There it is. Okay, we got a 20-cent coin. Right. On to the next target. Just found another 10-cent coin. It was in the hole, and that was coming up like 15, 16, but I suspect there's another 20 cent in there because that should have been coming up 13. So let's have a look. I think it was around here. Let's have a look. Just there. Yep, I can hear a coin. Where is he? Just there. Just heard something. There we are. Yeah, there's another 20-cent coin. All right, good. Well, I'll just double check there's not any more in here. No, that's just the playground. No, that's it. That was a good spill. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. Right, we've got a nice 13 here. It's probably 10 cent, but it could be a gold ring, so we've got to dig that. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, it's a coin. It's been there a while. Yeah, it's a 10 cent. All right, good. On to the next. Same hole, got another 13, another 10 cent should be in there. Let's dig it. Where is he? Ah, just the pull tab. Okay, good stuff. This is a strong signal, 24, 25, 2 bars down. So this one could be a half penny if we're lucky. If we're unlucky, it's a can. Let's dig it. Is that it? That may well be it. That's it. Nothing else? What is that? I have no idea. Okay, well, I'll check the hole and make sure there's nothing else there. I don't think there is, but hang on. No. Okay. Oh well, moving on. 31. 29, 30, 31. You got to dig that one. That's a good target. Let's have a look. Well, that's what it was. An old piece of pipe. It's heavy, really heavy. It's full of, mud and dirt and that. So, but it's really heavy old piece, that one. Oh wow, what's this? 85 on it, I see. I wonder if that's the year. I doubt it, but anyway, probably 85 mil or something. All right, cool. Okay guys, well this one was coming up in 18, 19. I wasn't thinking too much of it. I almost walked away from it, and I see a coin in there. Hopefully you can see it just there. Now, let me take that coin. No, it's not a coin. This is a button. Okay. Oh, I thought might have had a sixpence there, but it's some sort of button. Okay. I don't know what that says. Yeah, I'll have to have a better look at it later. But that seems to be a good find. I don't know whether this is an older style button or what, but anyway, not a coin, but a button. So great stuff. Okay, moving on. Yeah, another 16. That's 20 cents again. Okay. Check out this beautiful location. It's absolutely stunning. Well, I've been walking around for some time. No targets other than Canslaw. And I've got my first real target here. This one came up a 21. And there it is. What have we got? Let's have a look. Well, I think that's just a 1 cent coin, so... Oh well, I got excited there thinking it was something a little bit older, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It's a good old coin. Okay, moving on. Hi guys, day 2. I'm ready for more detecting. So let's get out there, hit a couple of parks and see how we go today. We found this little area. It's quite small. Not really much of a park or anything, but we got a 22 target here. And let's have a look. There we go. It's a $1 coin. That's a good one. That pays for the fuel. Good stuff. Okay, got a 22. Could be another Australian gold coin. And I'd just like to apologise in advance if the filming is not the best. I'm trying out a chest harness now, so we'll see how this goes, and hopefully it makes things a bit easier. So where is it? It's just there? Just there. Okay, we'll give that a dig. Okay, somewhere there. Get out the pinpointer. Where is it? I'll just switch this off and see if we can find it. Well, that's all it was. Looks like it's some sort of old tube or something, possibly. Oh well, okay. Keep hunting. Solid 29, occasionally 30. Very noisy here with the whippersnippers and lawnmowers, but let's give that one a dig. Well, that's what it is. Okay, let's have a look, clean it up a little. So that's what's making the noise around here. There's 2 lawnmowers going, so it's quite noisy. Anyway, this is what we found. Looks like it's part of an old car. So that's pretty cool. It's just by this tree here. Where there's trees, there's kids, and where there's kids, there's coins. So hopefully we can find some old coins around some of these trees. Okay, let's move on to the next target. Well, folks, I didn't find anything after the car, so I decided to go home for lunch. It was 3 hours, it was enough for me. So these are the finds that we found over the last couple of days. The most interesting piece for me is this old button here. Now, no idea how old that button is. It's got some patina on it. It doesn't have any writing that I can see, but it's a beautiful old button. And I'm not sure if anyone knows what this button was a part of, or was it on a uniform, or was it just some kids' clothes? But please let me know in the comments if you have seen something like this before. The other cool finds were the belt buckles. I found 3 of them. This is an older style belt buckle. This one here had some of the material still in it, but it broke apart when I was trying to clean it. And this is a more modern belt buckle. This one looks like it was an old tube or something. I found this massive pipe that was deep. That took a long time to dig. It was giving off a big signal, but we got him anyway. That's a heavy piece of pipe, that one. Massive bottle top for something. Yeah, this disc here. An old maintenance record. The cool car I found. That one's mangled, quite mangled. But anyway, I'm sure that's been there for a while. Some kid's car. And yeah, tap. Keys. Fork. It's got some sort of, let's see if we can get that. It looks like it might have been an elephant or something. I think that's an elephant if you turn it around. Yeah, a couple of sinkers and swivels down by the water. The people were fishing down there. An old spark plug. So those are the cooler items. All the, can slaw, most of the trash, all in the bin. Not going to bore you with that. And here are some of the coins. We got a 1 cent coin here. Couldn't read the date on that one. That's too crusty. 5 cent coin, 2020. How many? 3 10-cent coins. That's your oldest, 1988. Some 20-cent coins there, 82 through to 2011. This 2011 coin, it's a little bit different. I haven't seen that one before. And a $1 coin, 1997. So, yeah, not too many coins. Unfortunately, I didn't find any old coins, but that's how metal detecting goes. Anyway, if you like the content, please like and subscribe and click the notifications button for any future content. Always remember, folks, a day out detecting is better than a day on the couch. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon. See you.